Good afternoon, it's Chris from Speed Superbikes with another short video of one of our motorcycles we have in stock. It's a Suzuki 1250 Bandit in blue on an 08 plate. It's done just under 17,000 miles, 16,912 miles. It's presented in quite nice, tidy condition. It will come with a longish MOT. It's MOT'd until April 26. It does have a spare key. It does come with a spare key. It has got an aftermarket can on it. It does have a quilted rider's seat. As you can see, it is another one of our bikes from our sale. It does come with a headlight screen. It's got blue shorty anodized levers on it as well. It's in actually quite nice, tidy condition. It's got a tank protector on it as well. Rear tyres, very good. Still got the original underguard on, so that's not been chopped about, which is quite nice. It does have a centre stand as well to make things much easier when it comes to cleaning. Front tyre also looks serviceable. And there you go. Short walk around video of our Suzuki 1250 Bandit. If again, myself or any of the team at Speed Superbikes in Exeter can help, don't be afraid to give us a call on 01392 211 246.